Welcome back, everyone. I am super excited to take part in a little activity that Long Hunter State Park has today. They have so many activities. All the state parks have these really cool crafts and fun things that you can do at the parks. And today, everybody is going to make a keychain. And the keychain is an opossum, and we're going to learn possum facts and just all kinds of fun things, what they eat, where they live, how great they are for the ecosystem, and just learn a new craft and something to put on our backpack. This is perfect for back to school time or just any time, because I love fun crafts and I can't wait to see what we can see.
Eats if it has both sharp and flat teeth. Yeah, let's.
It eats meat and plants.
Plants? Yeah, okay. And do you know what the word is for each plant? What?
The thing.
This one? Oh, I know
That one. Plant. This one.
Yep. That's awesome! We just talked about just pull, you can pull just both sides, yeah. Ooh. Yeah, that's fine. It's a little twisted, but that's okay.
What's this string made of?
Plastic. So you're gonna grab 2 white beads.
Any type? Or just the clear?
I use the white. If you want to use the clear. All right.
Will we just be doing this every time?
Not quite, no. For most of it, yes, but not all of it.
Can you do this?
And 1 white.
2 black. That complicated. Yeah, he's from Lawrenceburg.
Yeah, and he was a long hunter. And he was from Lawrenceburg.
Yeah, we went to Lawrenceburg to play ball a couple of weeks ago.
Cool.
Last week. I think I got it. So I just pull the end or the front?
Pull the end.
Okay. This?
Yes, exactly like that.
This is the super cute keychain that I made during this workshop. It was so fun. I'm so glad that I came. I'm so glad that I was able to participate and just be a part of what's going on here at the state parks, at Long Hunter State Park specifically. And the Interpretive Rangers did a great job. I learned so many cool fun facts about opossums and was able to take part and learn a new craft too. I hope you have a great rest of the day. Bye.